Good afternoon. Welcome to Panda. What can I get started for you today?
Yes, I would like to order 2-item combo.
200 plate. Do you like chow mein or rice for your side?
Let me have chow mein,
You need chow mein. And for your 200?
chicken string bean, and beef and broccoli.
Beef broccoli. Anything else for you today?
On the second order, I would also like to have 2-item combo.
Alrighty.
Half chow mein, half fried rice,
Our chow mein, half fried rice. And then for your 200?
chicken mushroom.
Mushroom chicken.
Yes.
Alrighty.
And then Beijing beef.
Beijing beef.
Yes.
Anything else for you today?
One medium fountain drink.
Medium fountain drink. What would you like for your fountain drink?
Let me have what the doctor ordered. Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
Yes.
Alrighty.
And then one apple juice.
And an apple juice.
Yes. And that's it.
Alrighty. 327.38 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Not today.
Would you like any sauces with your order?
No, I'm fine. They go to?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You said no sauces, right?
No sauces. Thank you.
Your receipt, and I'll get your order in a bit.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's see what we have. Chow mein, beef broccoli, and chicken string bean. Chow mein, fried rice, mushroom chicken, and Beijing beef. Dr. Pepper.